Unexpected encounters between police and wild animals have been fully recorded on Bodycam. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous wild animals. You will not believe what happens next. Watch Police versus Wild Animals. Gunham, Bodycam captures everything. In this situation, the trailer owner will most likely face a heavy fine. Transporting large livestock with a loose gate or weak enclosure that allows it to escape onto the road is extremely negligent. Fortunately, the cow does not appear to be seriously injured after the fall. It's unclear by what kind of magic a bear that large managed to squeeze into such a tiny vehicle. Getting in was one thing, but getting out is now a major challenge for both the bear and the police. The peak of ease and taunting.
Oh, he gone.
I'm not chasing the bear.
Oh, he's trying to merge onto the highway. How many cops does it take? It's one cop.
Dude, hey. Hey, goat. Goat. Hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Hey, goat, come here. No, 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 no. Go in there. Yeah, let's go for a ride. You're one bad mamma jamma.
This suspect is slippery and fast, causing chaos on the road while trying to escape. Oh my God, look at him subduing an alligator with his bare hands. They did their best. Watching it sway its hips while running down the street is both funny and adorable. This suspect is too cute. I suggest its punishment be lots of food. This young deer probably sneaked into the yard last night to take a few penalty kicks. But its skills weren't good enough, so both its body and antlers got stuck in the net. Let this be a lesson for its football obsession.
Sorry about the joke.
Yeah, somebody picked.
If you hold here.
Good Lord.
Burmese pythons in the Everglades are as thick as a house column, and their constriction strength is undeniable. Yet the officers still dare to catch them with their bare hands, grabbing the tail and securing the head smoothly. Extremely bold and impressive.
I don't know, son.
Safely restraining a panicked kangaroo without injuring it is truly an art. A perfect 10 out of 10 for this capture and rescue. Wild turkeys become very aggressive during mating season and show no respect for anyone. The officer handled the situation in a careful and safe way for both sides. A perfect 10 for composure.
Chicken, chicken, chicken. Huh? Get back up, back up. Back up.
In Georgia, anything can happen, even an alligator getting arrested.
If you want, no, if you want. Hey guys.
If you saw two dogs fall into an icy lake like this, would you jump in to save them? Or would you call rescue services immediately?
Can I pick it up?
Yeah, it's gonna whip your arm.
Jackson. Of all people, just driving down.
It's gonna whip your leg.
It's fine. See? It's fine.
Fortunately, they were pulled out in time. A few more minutes, and it probably would have been too late to save them.
Hey, Mark. What do you need?
Hello, girl. You're all right, girl. You're okay. Yeah.
Grab a hold of this with me. Try to flip it.
Okay, Brian, you just need to ring.
Come on, baby. Come on. It's all right.
Situations like this show how important coordination between rescue teams is. Even a slight delay can be very dangerous.
Rick, come here. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm so
The small dog must have been very frightened and uncomfortable. It is a relief to see it safely rescued. Often, aggressive animals are simply panicked or misunderstood. How the police handle the situation is very important. Police service dogs are not just working tools, they are also part of the officer's family. Being stuck in traffic and then encountering two swans would definitely make everything come to a standstill. These are some of the most tense and unbelievable moments between police and wild animals captured on camera. If you enjoy realistic body cam videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes.